Hey guys, Epic Thresher here, and today what we're doing is a little different. This is a but this is a tutorial on how to use Wondershare Filmora. It is very, very good. I haven't actually bought it, but I just downloaded a free trial on my my MacBook here, MacBook Pro. I started a new project so we can just experiment and show everybody out there who's trying to use this, who watched the advertisement and said doesn't need a steep learning curve, but it kind of does, because it's like basically like iMovie but a little more complicated. So that's what I'm figuring out here, and let's discover it together, as they say on the nature programs. First, what you want to do is import some videos from your files and things on your computer. So you're going to click the plus here, cancel again. Ignore this stuff, because that, I don't think that does anything. And this stuff is just rearranging what you have in your media area. So you're just gonna click the plus. Right now, we're just gonna use some things from iMovie from my previous videos. So we're going to use here. Let's use these clips, okay? There we go. That's how you do it. I forgot. Alright, so those files are loading in. In a second, they will appear in your media file area. And then we'll get to the showing you how to edit things. Alright, so these clips are imported to your media file. These clips that I made, these clips are actually from my, I'm pretty sure they're from my prank on brother video. Yep, that's what they're from, but that's what we're using. Take this one. We're going to take this one, I guess.
Welcome to Dumbest.
I actually don't know. Which ones? Here we go.
So it's
Let's just take this one. How long is this video? Oh. Whoa, this is a long video. No, this is 4 minutes long. Okay, this is going to be some editing. And click the beginning. Click the beginning. Okay, there we go. Alright. So we have everything ready. We have our whole video here, none of the editing. Now let's just go run through these things really quickly. This is music, with the music that you can use for Filmora, and these are titles, openers, and just that's simple stuff that you usually use. This is things like that. It's just ways to change to other videos, other clips in a artsy way. Frosted sidebars. It's a lot of. Oh yeah, this shakes the video. This shakes it sideways. Anyways, okay, so now we have these, which are. Okay, so that's.
So it's actually accumulating.
Those are the videos. This is, I guess, elements, things you can put over it, and this is split video, I guess. So that's like if you want to put you in the same place twice. Okay, so let's start with the actual editing. Excuse me. So what you want to do here is just go through your video and see what parts you actually need. Before I start talking, we don't need that. And you click the scissors here, and then whichever one's highlighted blue, if you click delete, it will delete it.
So it's
like, we don't even need that very first front part there. And then you've got your first edit.
So it's actually
like
accumulating
that.
Outside there.
When you're done saying that, you just scroll through here. So one thing's clipped there, and then you can take the middle out.
Outside there.
Yeah, see, that was perfect transition right there. And it's just, you just do that for the whole thing that you need, all of the clips that you need, and all of the clips you don't need. You just go through them and look. And then stop it there. And then you can bring this back and actually watch what you're cutting.
Put the video where they attack, but
and then you clip it here again, and then you can just delete that whole middle part. But now, you just watch it, and you've got your first
it's actually accumulating
video that you're making.
There. I know my brother and his friends just had a sword fight, but
see, it's perfect. Okay, So I'm going to go through, do a little more of that, and I'll meet you back, and then we'll explain some more of how this is going to work for you. Alright, so most of the video has been edited. Being a little laggy right now, but most of the video has been edited.
Both of them, so I'm
A lot of
my shoes right now.
clips here that are this video that was 4 minutes is now not even a minute. You're here to see how to do that. So I just basically passed by the whole thing. But when you want to take something, so take this last clip here is just basically me putting a snowball in my face, if you watched my other videos. So here is basically your main controller. And you take that, you can move it by hitting the spacebar and then playing the video, and then you stop it. Or you can just move it manually like this, but it doesn't play the sound. But it's still okay because you just have memory. So let's take it back here, and we'll just split, as it says split, right there. Split, and then there are 2 videos here, and whichever one highlighted blue, like I said before, you press delete, and it's gone. So now you can see how it looks. Like this.
Okay. The GoPro's getting wet, so we gotta do this quick.
It's just, I just completely decimated, completely destroyed. Let's say maybe like, that was maybe like 3 seconds of footage. Now it's a lot shorter. So, that's just a little explanation on all the things you can do with this editing system. And, then we haven't even gotten into the most complicated thing. Let's add an end title with some music. But it's okay because we'll make it look completely awesome. Just the regular, normal thing, most plain thing you've got. So double click down there, and then you have control of what this says. So you can delete, and then just say
thanks for watching. Oh, that's too long.
let's just say the end. Period. But you can also write whatever you want. Down there. So so we can use animation now. And we could just fade this in. You don't have to have animation. But you can do this. This, that, random, and then random too, apparently. It's really awesome. All this stuff is so great. You can do typewriter. I think what I'm gonna do is cinema style, because I like that. So now we have that, and then I don't use that stuff because it kind of looks weird in my opinion. But now we can use this. That's what it says right there. And then color fill is just one color, but I like to do, if I can click it. Okay, there we go. So gradient fill is where you take the 2 colors and you just go like that, and then the other color is, let's say black. I like that. It's good. It's really cool. And then also you can do image fill, where you just take an image from your imaging thing and you can put it in the words, and it also looks really cool. So now let's just look at this thing. But wait, we gotta start it from the beginning. And that is cool. And then we can add music. Right now we have the end of the video.
Oh god, that's cool.
And then it's the end. But that's just super plain. And let's use some music here. But you just gotta pick a music. Pick a music. You just gotta pick a music. Like this one's good. I like this one. We're gonna add this in. And then just gonna cut this right here. We can delete all that. And then I'm just gonna move this over. You can do whatever you want with the spacing of this. But and there you go. That's just one of the few music things you can do. And So, that is the end of this tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was better than some of the ones where the guys are just like, the whole time in that very deep voice that, here, I'll do a little deep voice here for you.
Okay, so this is the tutorial. I hope it's really, really helpful to you.
Yeah, like that. So please like and subscribe and share with your friends. I know this video was a little different, but I should be coming out with a more regular one soon. And also, since I am using Filmora, there will be that that big, that watermark on Filmora, but there's not that much I can do about it. Please leave a like and subscribe and share with your friends if you enjoyed, and peace out. Bye.